Don't get it, Nancy, either.
Mike, grab that orange one.
Throw them, guys. Then pick up another one. Pick up another one and get it wet.
Pick it! Robbie, don't throw in your sister's ear! Rose!
Jay!
Got him good in ear.
Yeah, she got him there straight out. She got over there straight.
I give up. My time is done.
I wouldn't go anywhere near that.
Yeah, that's the way you look at
Now they're going to send all these wet kids home with their parents.
Boys, see, they're not girls. Look at those boys, they don't care.
Except for Jay.
Oh, you can't use the big ones!
Well, they're in there.
Yeah, get the big one. There's one right behind you. Right over
Cheyenne! You're out!